Hey, this is Big Guy DIY Robert coming to you with another video. This one's regarding snowmobile accessories. So one thing I've been shopping for probably 2-3 years, definitely within the last 2 years, are gauntlets, or muffs is another name used for it. Basically, it's the pad that covers the entire handlebar, well, not the entire handlebar, where your hands hold on to your handlebars on your snowmobile to stop the wind from hitting your hands. Last season, we went out riding where the temperatures were at minus 25, and I get pretty cold when I'm doing 60 miles an hour at minus 25. The other issue I have is my third finger, this one, as well as my right hand. Any temperatures under 35, I lose feeling in the tip of this finger right now. This has been going on for about 3 years, and I'm starting to feel it in my other fingers. I'm losing sensitivity in the tips or heat. They get really, really cold easily. So the problem I had with a lot of the gauntlets I've been looking at is the way they fit over the handlebar. So let's go inside the trailer back here and take a look. So most of your sleds, Ski-doos that is, I'm going to base it on the brand, have this style handlebar. The old MXZs, it was a full pad from about here all the way over. It was just styrofoam underneath. And then they started coming out with the more luxury sleds with this type of handlebar, full width pad. You see this on the GSX models, both 800 and 600, and you also see it on the 2-up sleds by Ski-doo. The problem with the majority of the gauntlets that I looked at is how it encloses in here. They're too long where they don't go around this pad part. It's just too wide, and I needed something to fit right in here. As you can see, there's not much room. My finger barely fits in it. This side's a little better, but still we're talking about very little room. And so every time I was in a snowmobile shop or visiting a snowmobile shop, I would go in and look at their inventory of gauntlets and see if there was something that was thin to go there. Well, I took a chance online and I picked up these. These are Kimpex Gauntlets. I bought them on Amazon. They're right now on sale for $61. And what made me choose these is this thin part right here. You still have the window, so you can see everything. You can see how it's enclosed in the back. It's very stretchy material. It feels similar to like the material in a wetsuit. Okay, give you an idea what it's like. You do have the velcro opening here, make it easier to get in. So I don't know, I think this here is if you had maybe those knuckle guard covers, that's what I call them. This will tighten it around it up here. But even for this sled, there was only one person or one company that makes like those knuckle guard covers right here that actually fit this sled. He sent me several pictures that fit it. Those were 120, 130, but it was just like a wind dam, and I didn't need it. I need something actually to enclose this whole handlebar because of my finger and my fingers losing touch as well as getting very, very cold. It actually becomes pins and needles if it gets too cold. If I can't get the hand to heat up. There's a lot of times I will ride with 2 fingers in one glove. I actually have what they call lobster gloves, and this is how the fingers fit inside the glove. So this kind of helps keep my finger warm. That's something I bought 2 seasons ago to try to keep my hands warm. So let me put this on, and I'll show you what it looks like while it is on. Just slide it over the handlebar as so. Close up the velcro side here. And then, I'm going to pull the camera in tight for this shot. I'm going to show you how it tightens up into that. You can see how I got the velcro closed. So this little bungee thing here, just pull it tight. Hang on for a second. There, so once you pull it tight, as you can see, it tightens right into that little groove. And there's no issues with getting my hands in here, seeing the controls. Let me sit here. So I can see everything I need to. The back of the hand is enclosed. I don't even have mitts on. So, yeah, the Kimpex. So let's do the other side here. And I'm not going to undo the Velcro part. I know I can't do this with one hand, but we're going to make an effort here. So I need 2 hands to tighten this up, but you can see the locking device. See the teeth in there. Those teeth will bite into this like bungee cord. And just work the bungee cord around. And there, it's tightened up. And I got complete access in here. I can easily see my kill switch. There's no interference whatsoever for touching my throttle. Yeah, that's it. So if you're trying to find gauntlets fit this handlebar, they are made by Kimpex with the window. Of course, you know, what are you going to do? I will post the information down in the description, and I'll also post a screenshot of the Kimpex description on Amazon, so you have an idea. All right, Big Guy DIY Robert signing off. Have a great snowmobile season. Hopefully this information helped out a lot. Take care.